With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the students, in this question, we have to find the set of values of a, okay, for which the quadratic equation which is given to us as 3x square plus 2 into a square minus 3a plus 2, okay, is equal to 0, possesses roots of opposite sign, okay. So this quadratic equation is having opposite sign of roots, okay, and these are options given to us, okay. So see what is given in the question. First write that, okay. It is given that alpha beta of opposite sign. So let's say there are two roots alpha and beta of this quadratic equation. If alpha is positive, then my beta will be negative, okay. In mathematical terms, I can write this condition of opposite sign roots, I can write as their product will be less than 0, okay, as plus multiplication of plus minus sign will give me a negative term, okay. So this alpha beta will give me a value less than 0, okay. So this will be my condition, okay student. Now see, this is a quadratic equation, and what is the general form of a quadratic equation? This general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a general form of a quadratic equation, okay, which has a root alpha beta, okay, and the product of those roots, okay, this quadratic equation having a root alpha and beta, okay, the product of their roots is given by what? C by a, okay. So see, on comparing these two, this quadratic equation, okay, what will be the value of c? C will be equal to this 2 into a square minus 3a plus 2, okay, and what will be the value of a? A will be 3. This I get on comparing this quadratic equation from the general form, okay. So see, this alpha beta will be equal to c by a, okay, and c is this and a is this. So I can write my alpha beta to be equal to 2 into a square minus 3a plus 2 divided by 3, okay. And in the question, it is given that they are opposite sign, which are giving us this condition that their product is less than 0, and alpha beta is this, okay, which is less than 0. Now I got a inequality with a in it, okay. So now I can find the values of a, okay. So see, if I multiply 3 by 2 on both sides, I will get what? I will get a square minus 3a plus 2 less than 0, okay. I have just multiplied 3 by 2 on both sides, so this term cancel out, and 0 into 3 by 2 is 0, okay. Now I have to just solve this inequality, okay, for getting the required values of a. See, this I can write as a square minus 2a minus a plus 2. I have just split this minus 3a in minus 2a and minus a, okay. I am doing factorization, okay. See, I am taking a common, so it will be a minus 2. In this I will be taking minus 1 common, so this will give me a minus 2 less than 0. So this inequality will reduce to a minus 1 into a minus 2 is less than 0, okay. Now we have to just solve this inequality, okay. So for solving this inequality, I have to first draw a number line, okay. Then what I have to do? Then we have to then I have to put the zeros here, okay. These are zeros of this equation, okay. If I put a minus 1 is equal to 0, this will give me a is equal to 1, and similarly this will give me a is equal to 2, okay. So this 1 and 2 are zeros of this quadratic equation, okay, or say in this inequality, okay. So if I take any value greater than 3 or greater than 2, pardon, okay, let's say I have taken 3, so this will give me a positive term and this will give me a positive term, okay. So mean this value is a positive here, okay, when a is greater than 2. Okay. And whenever we solve this such inequality, okay, on passing this 0, this set to be 0, on passing this 0, we check their power. Okay. See, this 0 is coming from this and this power is 1, which is odd. So the sign will change. Okay. Again, 1 will check, power is odd, sign will change. Okay. So see, you can also check but by just putting one value here, like in between 1 and 2 there is 1.5. If you put 1.5 here, you will get the product of these two as minus. Okay, minus sign. Because if I put say 1.5 here, so this will give me 0.5 and this will give me minus 0.5. Okay, which will give me minus 0.25. Okay, which is a negative term. So that way you can check as well. Okay, and see, the less than 1 is 0. So if I put 0, this will give me minus 1, this will give me minus 2, minus 1 into minus 2 will give me 2, which is a positive number. So that way you can also check. Okay. So, but in this inequality say the product of these should be negative. Okay, which mean our required reason is this reason. Okay, the negative reason. Okay, so this will be the answer of this inequality. Okay, which we can write as a should be from 1 to 2. See, this 1 and 2 is not included, so I am not putting the equality sign here. Okay, in term of set, I can represent this as a should be belongs to 1 to 2. Again, as this 1 and 2 are not included, so I am not putting the close bracket. Okay, otherwise I have written something like this. Okay, but 1 and 2 is not included. Okay, because if I put 1 or 2 here, this will give me 0, which is not less than 0. Okay, so to satisfy this inequality, my answer will be that a should belongs to 1 and 2. Okay, so this will be the required condition. Okay, and if I see my options, option C is correct. Okay, from 1 to 2. Okay, so the values of a which are from 1 to 2 will give me the root of this equation such that it possesses opposite sign. Okay, so this is the solution of this question. Hope you understand. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.